Hello and welcome to AlleyTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to split screen your meeting and any other web page that you want to access or look at while you're in your meeting. So to easily do this, for this example, I'm just going to show you how to do it on a Windows laptop. But what you want to do is on your keyboard, there should be a Windows key or button on within your keyboard on your laptop. So you're going to hold that down and then you're going to use your arrow keys and you're going to click which side you want the window to go on. The right side, the left side, either one. So right now I'm holding down the Windows key and I'm going to click, let's say, the right arrow. Once I do that, it's going to immediately put half my screen to be on that side I chose. So my Zoom meeting is now only on the right side of my screen. Now let's say that I wanted to work on a document or work on a worksheet or something for the class and take notes, but I also wanted to be able to see the meeting such as this. I already have the meeting as half the screen, but now I can make this page half the screen as well. So the meeting will go away just for a second when I click this, but then on this page, do the same thing, hold down the Windows key, and then while holding it down, click one of the arrow keys. So seeing as my meeting was on the right side, I'm going to put my document I'm working on the left side. The moment I do that, it is now only going to be on half the screen, so now I can work on both at the same time without having to overlap and have them disappear. So I click back and forth, I write stuff, and then I can just easily click back into my meeting. It's still there, and I can still view it. This just makes it less problematic, and it's a much easier way to view your work or work on notes if the teacher's showing a video on their screen or anything of the such. Thank you for watching, and check out my other videos for any tips and tricks you need throughout the school year.